Hello guys, welcome to the next video tutorial on Android app development for beginners, and in this video we will see how to use TimePicker in Android. TimePicker you can use to choose some time whenever you are making some activity related to time or Android app related to time setting or time picking. So let's see how we can use TimePicker with an example. So what you are going to do is, or what you need to do is, first of all create a blank project for you, and then go to your palette and search for date and time category, and in here choose time picker control and drag and drop into your activity. And time picker looks like this. And what we are going to do in this example is we are going to show the time chosen by the time picker in a toast using a button. Okay, so let's take a button and we change the text of this button as show time, and the ID I will leave it as default, which is button itself. Now our design is complete, so we can go to our main activity.java in our Java folder. So just go to the main activity.java file, and in here first of all we will declare the object of time picker and button. So our objects are created now, and now what we are going to do is we are going to create a function, and this function in this function we are going to write a code. Whenever the button is clicked, we want to show the time which is picked by time picker. So let's create a function, public void show time, which takes no arguments. And inside this function we are going to first of all cast our object which we have declared. First is for date time picker, so we have successfully casted both our objects, and now we are going to take this object of button, and we will call set on click method on this button, and then inside this set on click method we are going to write the code to show the time, right? So take the button instance dot set on click listener, and inside this we are going to create a new on click listener, and inside our on click method what we are going to do is let's take a toast to show the time. So toast dot make text, and first instance let's take the get base context. Second is the actual text in which we want to show the time. So for example we will take this time picker instance dot get current hour, and this will give you the current hours. So for example if the time is 11:15, then it will show you 11, right, because it's hour. Plus we want to also show the minute also, for example. So after this we will concatenate it with minutes. So time picker dot get current minute. Okay, and the third argument is the duration. So toast dot, let's take length short, and then we are going to show this message, so show. Okay, now our code is complete. The only thing which remains is the calling of our function inside on create method. So just call it inside on create method, or copy this function inside on create method. And now we can run our program. Let's do one thing more. Here is I forgot to give this concatenation operator, so just give it, and now let's run our program. So now our app is running. Now you can see the date time picker and the button here, and you can choose the time by clicking on this green palette here. So right now the time is 11, and if you want to change the minutes, you can just click this thing, and you can change minute by dragging this arrow on the circle like this. Or if you want to change the time, you can change it by clicking on time and dragging this like this. Okay, so for example, I want to set 2:15, so I can set it like this, and I can also even set the AM or PM options. And now for example, I want to set or show the time. So when I click show time button, it's going to show the time. Okay, 2:15. Let's change the time to some new time, and let's change it to 10:55, and it shows 10:55, right? So in this way you can use date time picker. There is one more option. Right now you can see it in 24-hour format. You can set it to other formats using set. So you can take this time picker and call set is 24-hour as true, and it will be changed to I think 12-hour or something like this. Okay, so you can do this also to set the time options. So in this way you can use date time picker or time picker in Android. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.